Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV, where Biafra is not just our identity, it is our faith. Here, we stand firm in our devotion to the cause and to our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. We bring you bold, unfiltered updates on the internal and external forces confronting our people, exposing the oppression and injustice within the so-called Zoological Republic of Nigeria. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay connected to the heartbeat of the resistance. Thanks for watching, and may Biafra rise. The post highlights a statement from the American Veterans of Igbo Descent (AVID), a group of U.S. military veterans of Igbo origin, accusing the UK of colluding with Nigeria to detain Nnamdi Kanu, a British citizen and leader of the indigenous people of Biafra (IPOB), linking this to a historical, genocidal legacy from the Nigerian Civil War 1967-1970, where British arms sales reportedly contributed to over 1 million deaths, as noted in a 1969 Red Cross report. AVID's claim of extraordinary rendition references Kanu's 2021 abduction in Kenya, violating international law, including the UN Convention Against Torture, with evidence from the African Commission suggesting Nigeria bypassed extradition treaties, a move the UK's silence may tacitly support despite its consular obligations under the 1985 Vienna Convention. The accusation challenges the UK's narrative of non-interference, citing a 2022 Court of Appeal ruling in Nigeria discharging Kanu, which Nigeria ignored, potentially with UK diplomatic encouragement, raising questions about neocolonial influence, supported by declassified documents showing Britain's historical role in shaping Nigeria's post-war policies. That's it for today's broadcast from Biafra Battle Cry TV, where truth is our weapon and freedom is our mission. We remain unwavering in our loyalty to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the liberation of our people. The struggle continues, and so does our voice. Share this message, subscribe, and spread the fire, because every voice counts in the fight for justice. Until next time, stay bold, stay vigilant, and stay Biafran. Biafra lives, Biafra rises, Biafra is our destiny.